It is September forecast right here in the state of Maryland where you live. So today in Maryland and the rest of the United States and even the state of Maryland, it's over 70s, mostly cloudy. Listen right here, it's going to be 74 degrees Fahrenheit, and on the left you'll see it's 76 degrees, rain showers. What we're nearly going to focus on is today it's going to be 74 degrees Fahrenheit, mostly cloudy. So air quality index with the green stuff around 43. It was the yellow, but right now it's on the green. Serenity, good air, feels like 72 degrees, wind 1 mile per hour, visibility 9.9 mile, barometer 29.86 inch. So we're not going to be focused on the rain showers, but we're nearly focused on mostly, it's going to be mostly cloudy. Mostly cloudy, guys. Excuse me. So as you can see here on the radar observation with the Doppler radar, so the rain is in Tennessee, Kentucky, West Virginia, Indiana, New York City, New Hampshire, Connecticut, Rhode Island, and even New Jersey. And even right here on the right here in the state of Maryland, it's going to be on the eastbound side, which is in the radar observation. So the directions you'll see here, it's on the radar observation, is in the eastbound. So it's moving on the eastbound side, approaching towards almost in Baltimore County. So it's clearing up in Harford County, Cecil County, Baltimore County, but it's still coming back on the radar observation rain. It's going to be on the Baltimore County. So right here on the I-95 corridor, it's going to be approaching towards Garrett County if you live in there. If you live in Garrett County, you'll see the rain. So as you can see here on the radar forecast, you can see they're going to be exactly the same thing in the United States with so on and so forth on the East Coast and on the Midwest and on the South. So, same directions as in the eastbound side. The precipitation is in the 0.01 on the yellow stuff, the green one showing a 0.08. So precipitation is in, I want you to name this, so we're going to name it. So, precipitation is in Michigan, Tennessee, Kentucky, West Virginia, well, West Virginia just a little bit, but as you can see here on the dot of the precipitation, you can see is in Virginia. And as you can see here, the precipitation is in West Virginia. New York showing the precipitation, Pennsylvania showing precipitation, and right here at home in the state of Maryland, you can see it's going to be on the precipitation of 0.01, which is the direction is in the eastbound again. So it's coming towards Maryland on Cecil County, Harford County, Carroll County, Kent County, and even Baltimore County. So it's coming through, it's pushing through the eastbound side on the right, pushing through the land and on the ocean side of the water. So as you can see, again, you can see it's New Hampshire and even the precipitation. Moving on to satellite. So as you can see here, satellite is mostly on the eastbound in the United States, and even at home in the state of Maryland and Delaware. So mostly they're going to be in the satellite of the terrain and the ocean side. Maryland showing the satellite is moving on the eastbound side. So the rest of the United States with so on and so forth is in New York, New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Connecticut, Rhode Island, New York, Pennsylvania, West Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Tennessee, Kentucky, Ohio, and even Illinois. So it's moving on the different directions of the eastbound side. Now clouds. Clouds are mostly cloudy around in the state of Maryland. So I'll say it again. Mostly cloudy in the state of Maryland. So that's right. You have to focus on the mostly cloudy, which is today around over 70s. The other United States in clouds is going to be in New York, Pennsylvania, Kentucky, Tennessee, North Carolina, South Carolina, and so on and so forth. And as you can see here, clouds are going to be on the different directions. They're going to be on the southbound side, but mostly it's going to be on the northeast side, the different directions, but mostly it's going to be on the eastbound side of clouds. So there are going to be clouds everywhere in the state of Maryland just for the day. Moving on to temperatures. So temperatures is going to be we're definitely not gonna show temperatures because temperatures our computers having difficulties. So we're gonna move on to the degrees where you live. So as you can see here, mostly around 70s, as you can see here on the numbers. So we're gonna start off with Bel Air showing 71, 74 degrees in Bell Camp, 73 degrees in Catonsville, Chesapeake City showing 74, Chestertown 77, Churchville 71, Columbia 74, Conowingo 71, Darlington 74, Dundalk, Edgewood, Elkridge showing 74, and Elton, Ellicott City, and Essex showing the exact same thing as the Dundalk, Edgewood, and Elkridge showing the exact same thing as 74. Now Falston around 71, Frederick 70, 74 degrees in Glen Burnie, Hagerstown showing 70, Hildorf showing 74, same thing in Haverty Grace. Jarrettville 70, Jesup 74, Jobbertown 72, Kingsville 71, Laura 74, same thing in Middle River. Nottingham 72, Ocean City showing 75 degrees and sunny. Owens Mills 72. Prairie Hall 73, Perryville 75, Pikeville 72, Queenstown 77, Reynoldstown and Reisterstown showing 72 and 70. Rising Sun 71, Riverside 74, Rosedale same thing. Savage 73, same thing in Towson. 70 degrees in Whiteford, White Marsh showing 74, Joppa showing 72, Northeast 72. Aberdeen 74, and same thing in Aberdeen Proving Ground. Annapolis 77, and Abingdon 72. So, as you can see here, mostly in the state of Maryland, where you live, it's going to be on the 70s. So today, it's going to be mostly 70s. So with the historical weather in September showing the average high 80, average low 60, record high showing 96 degrees 2010, record low showing 40 degrees 1992, and average rainfall 4.49 inch. 4.49 inch, what I just said. So, we got time. So day details. Day, watch for scattered rain showers. The high will be 76. It's going to be mostly cloudy anyway. Night, light rain is expected. The low will be 64. Sunrise, 6:38 a.m. Sunset, 7:31 p.m. Moonrise, 4:47 a.m. Moonset, 7:15 p.m. With the moon phase, rainy crescent. Precipitation showing 75%, humidity 69%, UV index 1 low, which is very low. Max wind showing 7 miles per hour. And what the temperatures is going to be showing with the record high of 94 degrees to 2018. Record low showing 49 degrees, 1997. Average high showing 84 degrees and average low showing 64 degrees. And on the left you'll see is record rain showing 0.79 inch, 1999. And finally, average rain showing 0.12 inch. Now, it's going to be today, it's going to be 76 degrees, rain showers, what I showed you earlier with the day details. But we're nearly going to focus on is 74 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly cloudy, what I've been telling you guys earlier. And tomorrow it's going to be 83 degrees with the high of 83 on Monday, tomorrow, mostly sunny. Now here's the rest of the forecast as always. I want you to listen carefully. So Tuesday is going to be 82 degrees, partly sunny. Wednesday is going to be 87 degrees, sunny. With the light rain, 79 is going to be on Thursday. Partly sunny on Friday is going to be 77. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday is going to be on the 80s, mostly on the 80s. Now we're going to break it down. Tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday is going to be mostly sunny. The only sunny it's going to get is on Wednesday.